Hi, good afternoon, 25th of September 2017, and we are here together. Let's work together, all the StockPro members. Let's identify and work upon it. Before I proceed on, I want to show you my YouTube channel. Okay, and here we are, right? And I started shouting from 19th September that Nifty looks weak to me. So can you see the headings also? Nifty struggling, Nifty profit booking, Nifty down by 110 points. Like I have been talking about for the past 4 days that the Nifty is planning to go down, and I have been also saying at the same time that please, reduce your positions. You've been all texting me, what do we do with this? As I've been saying, you have to take a call yourself. So many people sending texts, what is your view on PNB? What's your view on SBI? I have no views. I have views only on the stocks that I talk about. And on that also, I only give you the entry point. You have to put your stop losses. And if it hits target, I'll tell you that you please book your profit. Otherwise, you have to maintain your stop losses. You have to do your own analysis. I don't want you to become dependent on me or anyone else. I'm not giving you a technical breakout stock because I want you to be depending on me. I want you to be absolutely independent of me or anybody, right? If I give you a stock on a breakout, then it's your responsibility to find where is the stop loss, what should be the target, right? So this is stock market. It'll go up, it'll go down. If Nifty is going down, if the heavy profit booking is happening in Indian market, all over the world markets are down. Indian markets will also be down. Enter in the market with the same risk that it has a probability of going up and down. So this is FTSE, which is down, DAX down, CAC down, all the global markets are also down today, right? So when I'm taking so much of pains and telling you well in advance which if I was reading today's Times of India, Economics Times, and they were talking about P value and they were talking about the earnings, and I have talked about it long back. I've been talking for the last 4 videos, 4 days, 19th onwards, that the Nifty looks very weak to me, and I was in sell zone. I have shown you all my trades, right? So please, become independent of anybody. You have to be dependent, if at all, on anyone. It's yourself. Today also I was talking to somebody, and this person said that somebody made him buy some shares which are under ban now. One was BV Industry, the other was something. So what I'm saying, it's not the problem of the people who are fooling you. It's your problem that you're getting fooled. Now you understand the basic setup, the simple moving averages, then please put them, right? Now, did you see the breakout in 𝐿𝐿 bio, right? What I believe, we can exit it right now and enter again. If there is a bit of profit booking comes in, it will come down and again enter. This is now in that phase where huge volumes are coming in, so you can do multiple trades. When it comes down, when it goes up, sell. When it comes down, buy. So now, because market has fallen down so much, so many good stocks are available on great discount. For example, Flipkart. Today it is 50 points down. Right? A good opportunity to enter. Will remain that we'll just wait for it to come to a support, or maybe come to a support in 1 day. If it does not break this 1 hour support, we will enter in it, right? We'll just wait for another day or two, let it make a good platform for bounce back, and then we will enter into this stock. This is one very, very good stock, right? My members have found a stock, Genesis. This, in spite of all other Nifty going down, majorly stocks going down, this stock is doing well. See, this is heading up. It's heading up. Okay, Coffee Day, many of you have bought it, but see, this is one of that case where unexpected things happen. So here there was a raid on Coffee Day owner, so that is why the stock is massively down, right? You will have to wait and watch if you have not exited. You have to have your tight stop losses always, right? I mean, if you have entered at 250 or something, you should have exited it long. So maintain, even in your positional trades, you have to maintain your stop losses, okay? Because market, you're sitting in the market, you're sitting with a probability 50%. Even if you try everything, your best of analysis will fail if you do not put the stop losses, okay? So these were some of the trades. And what I'm saying, if the market is about to go down, please identify the stocks which are going to be in the downtrend, right? And create position in them. If you cannot trade in futures, take their call, take their puts, or sell the futures. But be in the direction of Nifty, then your trades will be fine. Then you will have no problems, right? The problem comes when you sit in the opposite direction. Now, those who have bought, Arrow Textile, Black Rose, or JVL Agro, they have to wait now until market takes a turn. I mean, JVL Agro is just on a 200 DMA support. 200 DMA support. If market takes a bend, upward, then only there will be some kind of a relief that we will have. Okay. So some of the stocks which are taking a bounce from wherever they have fallen. So I'll show you some of the stocks. Like for example, look into Reliance. In one day it is taking a support. In one day Reliance is taking a support. And similarly Yes Bank. Let's see what's happening in Yes Bank. That's also taking a support, right? And then let's see some other stock which could be taking a support somewhere. So whenever you get an opportunity, you can create position in them. Concord is another stock which has fallen a lot. In this entire fall, Concord fell a lot. So it is taking a support. Keep them on your radar. Keep them on your radar. And the moment you find the opportunity and proper setup, you can enter. DLF is on a 200 DMA support, right? DLF is on a 200 DMA support. So in the month of October, if you see this support not broken, see from the long term, if you see, it has not broken from the January onwards. It's not broken 200 DMA support, right? It has honored it. DLF only for a very, very short duration. It has gone down only for a few days. This is the part when it went down. It went down from 10th of November to about 2nd of January. So about 1.5 months only it was below 200 EMA. Otherwise, for the last 1 year, 4/4/2016, which is 4th April 2017, this stock, which is DLF, is in the uptrend. So just watch out for DLF. If you get it on a 200 EMA support, it will be a good opportunity to enter it. Okay. Another stock which has been incessantly falling is, Infosys. Just see for some kind of a support that it has. If it gets a support, I'm sure it'll give a good run up, but nothing before your technicals meet. And another stock which I'm finding is standing on a support, if it doesn't fall further, is Wipro. See this support, right? But you have to wait for the price to be above this moving average. You can't enter it right now. Okay. So these are the stocks which I'm telling you, they give you good opportunity to enter into them. Even SBI. Let's see what's happening in SBI. SBI is in the downward zone. We don't see any support out here for SBI. So we don't have an opportunity. Let's see what's happening in Voltas. Broken its 50 DMA support. Let's see Reliance Infra. Reliance Infra may give you a buying opportunity because 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places. Can you see the 4 places? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times it has come down to the same point and bounced back. Wait till you get the confirmation. In the month of October, you can think about something. Let's see what's happening in Federal Bank, about to break its 50 DMA. 50 DMA support. Okay. Just Dial has also fallen down. Experienced resistance from 200 EMA. So, when the Nifty is down, each and every stock will go down. That's a kind of ironclad rule. You have to remember it, right? So don't indulge into Don't expose yourself. A lot of positions in the market, when there is geopolitical tension, there is a lot of things happening in the political scenario and the various other places in the world. Please don't enter. Let's quickly see if there is some kind of a recovery that's coming in FTSE. So it is standing on a support, but we don't know whether it will be there or not. So DAX is recovering. So there may be a possibility that Nifty may also show you a bit of recovery, right? Nifty may show, although it's fallen down very, very massively. Fine. So guys, see you tomorrow, but I'm expecting you all to be really more diligent with your analysis and be in the direction of the Nifty. Don't go against it. Don't go against it, no matter what. Except there are few odd stocks, which are cash stocks. They may give you an opportunity. They may give you an opportunity in the opposite direction. Okay. So what I'm saying here, that like 𝐿𝐿𝐕𝐄, right? So what I would suggest, do multiple entries in 𝐿𝐕𝐄. For example, go to its lower time frame, right? Now what we will do, we'll wait for it to come to a support, let's say 76 or so, and if it comes to that, we will again buy it, right? So this is what you can do when you find a stock which is on the verge of having a breakout, right? You can enter into it many times. Fine. So, and I'm waiting for this one, Flips Carbon, to give me a good support. If I get it, I will enter into it, right? Or now this is 15 minutes, right? Go to Bollinger Bands. See, now the candles have started becoming narrow. It means something is happening. What is happening? That we will get to see. Make it even smaller time frame, 5 minutes. Make it a smaller time frame. See, there is a channel, that there is a squeeze which is happening. Means there is a breakout which is about to happen. So wait for the breakout, and if it is in the upward direction, create your position. Fine. Intraday also you can do. Fine. Okay, so now guys, I'm starting with my webinar on 2nd of October, and I have almost trained 200 people, and they are each one of them is doing excellently well. I showed you one of the members said Genesis. See the Genesis, market is down, Genesis is up, right? Genesis is up. It has given a good green candle today. Okay, so get ready. If you want to trade in the market, you have to know the market. You can't just enter like that. And I've been reading some kind of your comments that the program is very, very expensive, but I would still say, when you people lose, you lose in lakhs, and here we are just charging 30,000 rupees, and which is also, we are assuring that you will be able to recover within 1.5 to 2 months with a capital of 50,000 rupees, which I believe is a very, very reasonable time to recover the money, understand the market, making your course free. What else do you want? I believe there can't be anything better than this. Okay. So when it comes to, losing lakhs and lakhs of rupees in the market, I believe 30,000, which we promised that you will recover, is not a huge amount. I agree that it is definitely not a small amount, but at the same time, it's not a huge amount too. You have to spend that amount of money, because until you pay for it, you will not value your training, right? Until you go through the pain of collecting money and then paying for it and then recovering it bit by bit from the market, you will not understand the value of the training. So I definitely want you people to understand that, and whenever you have to learn something, you have to spend upon it. Otherwise, your value will not be as much as you want it to have. Okay, so I'm waiting for you all. If you can't join this time, join next time. But towards this Diwali, pledge that you will not really fall into any tips taking services. You will learn yourself. Just learn yourself. It's a better bite for about 1.5 to 2 months. It's not going to be the longer duration. You don't have to lose your money. It is just an investment for a short duration. So I want to show you one stock which you can keep on your radar. The moment you get a good entry, enter into it. I have found it really good. Quickly I need to tell you, because time is getting over. It's 𝐻𝐿𝐕𝐄. Anik Industries, right? So this is something that you can keep on your radar. Bye bye.